Oyo State, under the leadership of Governor Seyi Makinde, has ranked third among states paying the highest minimum wage to workers. According to Oyo State Commissioner for Information, Mr. Dotun Oyelade, workers in Oyo State will now receive 80,000 naira as the minimum wage. This puts the state in the same group as Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Enugu, and Niger State, which are also paying 80,000 naira. Leading the chart are Lagos and Rivers State, where workers earn a minimum wage of 5,000 naira. These two states benefit from the large natural resources and economies. Mr. Oyelade explained that Governor Makinde's government prioritizes workers' welfare. Since 2019, Oyo State has introduced several worker-friendly policies, such as paying salaries on time and offering a 13-month salary every December. The commissioner also shared that even before the new 80,000 naira minimum wage, Oyo State spent over 77 billion naira every year on worker salaries and bonuses. The federal government recently approved a national minimum wage of 70,000 naira, but some states like Oyo are choosing to pay even more to their workers. He explained that although the four states are paying 80,000 naira as minimum wage, but none of them has a workforce as large as Oyo. Oyelade highlighted Governor Makinde's commitment to supporting civil servants, emphasizing that Oyo is one of the most worker-friendly states in Nigeria. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates on state developments and exclusive videos.